Hello everyone, I am Vatsal. Welcome you all to my channel. And today I am going to show you how to fix mouse problems in Windows 10. So there can be different types of mouse problems like mouse getting disappeared or mouse not responding or the click not working. So to fix all these types of issue, there are four methods. Let's see the method number one. Just press the window key along with the X key on your keyboard. Now use the down arrow key to reach to the settings option. After the settings option is selected, just hit enter. Now just press the tab button once on your keyboard and now use the right arrow key to go to the devices option. After selecting the devices option, just hit enter. Now just press the tab key once on the keyboard and you can see that Bluetooth and other devices is now selected. Just use the down arrow key to reach to the mouse option. After the mouse option is selected, just hit enter. Now just keep on pressing the tab key on your keyboard until you reach the option additional mouse options in the right hand side. So the additional mouse options is now selected, just hit enter. Now just press the tab key to select the top menu. Just keep on pressing the tab key until the top menu or the buttons tab is selected. So you can see that the buttons tab is now selected. Just use the right arrow key to reach to the pointer options. Now just keep on pressing the tab key until you reach the option hide pointer while typing. So the option hide pointer while typing is now selected. Just click on the space bar on the keyboard to uncheck this option. Now just keep on pressing the tab key until you reach the apply button. So the apply button is now selected, just hit enter. Now to close this window, just press function alt F4 or alt F4 only on your keyboard. So in my system alt F4 is working. So just check whether function alt F4 works in your system or is it just alt F4. So this was method 1 to fix the mouse issues. If method 1 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 2. Just press the Windows key on your keyboard. And now you can see that the search bar is selected. Now just type control panel in the search bar. Now use the arrow key to select the control panel search result and just hit enter. Now use the tab key until hardware and sound option is selected. So the hardware and sound option is now selected, just hit enter. Now keep on pressing the tab key until power options is selected. Now just hit enter to open the power options. So you can clearly see that the control panel home is selected by default in the left hand side. Just use the down arrow key to select the option choose what the power buttons do. So the option is now selected. Just hit enter to open it. Now you can see that by default this option change settings that are currently unavailable is selected. Just hit enter. Use the left arrow key to select the yes button and hit enter. Now just keep on pressing the tab key until this option turn on fast startup is selected. So the option is now selected. Just press the space bar to uncheck it. Now just keep on pressing the tab key until you reach the save changes button. So the save changes button is now selected. Just hit enter. Now just close this window by pressing the function Alt F4 key or the Alt F4 key on your keyboard. So this was method number 2. If method number 1 and 2 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 3. In method number 3, what you have to do is just press some key combination to turn on the touchpad. So these key combination are basically used to turn on or turn off the touchpad. So it is function along with the F3 key in Dell laptop. It is function along with F9 key in the Toshiba laptop. It is function along with the F6 key in the Lenovo laptop, and it is function along with the F7 key in the Acer laptop. So just try out these combination and see whether your touchpad is turned on or not. If function key is not present on your keyboard, then just press F3 key for the Dell laptop, F9 key for the Toshiba laptop, F6 key for the Lenovo laptop, and just press the F7 key for the Acer laptop. So this was method number 3 to fix the mouse related issues. Now method number 4 is just press the Windows key and just press X key. Press them both together. Now use the down arrow key to select the device manager. After the device manager is selected, just hit enter. Use the left arrow key to select the yes button and hit enter. Now just press the tab key once and now use the down arrow key to reach to the mice and other pointing devices. Now just expand this by using the right arrow key and just use the down arrow key to select the HID compliant mouse. So in your system it may be some other name, like in my system it is HID compliant mouse, so it may be some manufacturer name written here in your system. So just select it and hit enter. Now just press the tab key to select the general tab or the top menu. Just keep on pressing the tab key. So the general tab is now selected. Just use the right arrow key to reach to the driver tab. Now keep on pressing the tab key until you reach the uninstall device button. So the uninstall device button is now selected. Just hit enter. So the uninstall button is already selected. You don't have to press the tab key. Just hit enter. So the driver is now uninstalled. What you have to do is just press the function Alt F4 key on your keyboard or press the Alt F4 key on your keyboard to close this window. Now press the window key on your system and just press the tab key once. Now use the down arrow key to reach to the power button. Now hit enter to open its submenu. Now use the down arrow key to select the restart option and hit enter. After restarting your system, it will automatically install the uninstalled touchpad or mouse driver, and you don't have to do anything. You just have to check whether your mouse is working or not. So these were the four methods that you can try out to fix the mouse problems in Windows 10. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.